Oh my gosh, Kyle, what is that?
What is that? What is it?
Oh my gosh. It's a Polar Express.
It's a Polar Express train set.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kyle, Santa brought you Polar Express.
Yes.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Wow. He's not getting coaches.
Where's the coaches? That's a big choo-choo. Look.
Oh.
Wow.
We want to go. Which one now wants to go open it?
You want to open
Hey,
it?
Kyle, what did you get?
What'd you get? Tell Mommy what you got.
I got a big space. We want to go open this.
Okay.
Go open this.
Okay. Good one, huh?
Go open
You did
this.
good.